Hi, I am Dr. Manojit. I am a consultant surgical gastroenterologist who work at Madhu Super Speciality Hospital. Basically, I completed my MS General Surgery at Rajiv Gandhi University and Fellowship of Surgical Gastroenterology at Rajiv Gandhi University. And I have 5 years of experience at laparoscopic surgeries. I work with the Madhu Super Speciality Hospital since last 1 year. We have two buildings with the old and corporate new hospital which is supporting with all ICU backups and along with all the laparoscopic equipment which is available here along with the two OTs. So with all major surgeries we can do at Madhu Hospital. As a surgical gastroenterologist, we come across both in the all the upper abdomen, especially esophageal problem or stomach problems or rectum problem. It might be piles or moreover any sort of problems in the gastrointestinal tract. So moreover, especially in the place of gallbladder stones or what we call it as cholelithiasis. So basically more important, especially in the female sectors, it might be more than 40 years, especially in the diabetic people who come across this type of problems. We do operate at the laparoscopic surgeries without any complication. We can discharge within 1 day. And moreover, all the complication which is encountered with the cholelithiasis or passed out gallbladder stones, it might induce the pancreatitis. We can solve all the problems including in the pancreas problems. We can solve at Madhu Hospital. All the patients, especially who come across with a gastritis, they always think it is might be a gastric problem which more common people thinking. So the gastric problem which we have to think at last. Basically first we have to go get a scan or a surgeon consultation to look across any problem which is going to arise. So once if you have a problem with the cholelithiasis or what we call it as a gallbladder stones, see, these problems can induce so much of problems like pancreatitis or jaundice. So before the problem enhancing, before you get it land up into the complication, I think you all guys have to go consult a surgeon to prevent the complication which is going to get in the pancreatitis induced complications. So it might takes hours together, it might days together. So early the consultation, it will be the early the cure. If you guys come across all these such type of problems, you can visit to our hospitals and we have all the facilities to treat your people or with the people who get such type of complications. And hope everyone should take care of your health. As a fellow human being, I wish you all to take care of your health. Thank you.